performance test is done, and I wanted to share some quick results. I was just using this digital infrared thermometer, pointing it while I ran some tests to see what the temperatures were. On the before test, at idle I was getting 42.7 degrees Celsius, and during a health test through the Western Digital software, it went from 42.7 Celsius to 46.5. That was the max I recorded. After I installed this, I went from 36 at idle, so it was 42.7 without it, 36 at idle, and then after the max temp I got on the health test was 37.1. So it's a difference of 46.5 degrees Celsius without it versus 37.1 degrees Celsius with it. Again, I paid $3 for this on Amazon. Well worth it. I used userbenchmark.com and I ran the hard drive test. I was checking to see if my speed got any faster. On Western Digital for the 500 gigabyte SN750 drive, it says that it's 3430 megabytes on the write and 2600 megabytes on the read. That's what I'm supposed to see. I'm only getting 2300 on the write and 2000 megabytes per second on the read. So it didn't change any of my results. The speed was the same, but my temperatures did drop significantly. I plan to keep it for $3. I love it. This one here, I have a Western Digital blue SN750 coming tomorrow that I plan to install it on. So overall, great product. Can't beat the price. I'll post a link for you on YouTube, and if you like this quick review, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.